In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update estimates in CostMiner. Whether you're new to this platform or looking to refine your skills, I'm here to help guide you through these steps so you can efficiently manage your project estimates. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the CostMiner website. If you haven't already accessed this online construction estimating and takeoff software, just type CostMiner into your search bar, and it should pop right up for you. Once you're on the site, look for the Login button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you have any trouble logging in, double-check your username and password to ensure they're entered correctly. After successfully logging in, it's time to locate your project. This is where you'll be making all the necessary updates. Once you're inside your dashboard, find and select your current project from the list. This will take you directly to all the project specifics, including those estimates we need to edit. Now that you're in, click on an item in your project. For instance, let's say we're focusing on a task like bedroom wall 1. Think of this as your starting point. In this task, locate and click on the wall length checkbox. Checking it enables you to make changes to this particular measurement. At this juncture, you have a couple of options. You can either change the measurement directly by entering a new value, or if you prefer, delete the existing measurement altogether before entering a fresh one. This step provides the flexibility to correct any inaccuracies or updates needed to align with the project's current scope. Following this, head over to the floor plan. This is a crucial step, especially if you're integrating any new measurements or components. By clicking on the floor plan in the right panel, you can visually assess what needs to be modified or added. With the floor plan open, you can trace a new length measurement. It's wonderful how visual aids of the interface support and enhance your estimating process. After tracing, confirm the endpoints to ensure precise measurements. This precision can make all the difference in accurate cost assessments and future project planning. Moving forward, you'll be prompted to modify the category for this item. Is it a material? Is it equipment? This categorization helps structure your estimates, ensuring every element is accounted for correctly. In addition, you have the opportunity to edit the unit of measurement. For example, maybe the default is in meters, but your current project specifies feet. It's a simple step that helps align your estimates with project requirements. Last but not least, input the relevant costing. This element translates your hard work into figures and helps keep your budget accurate and up to date. Now your work's complete. There's nothing left to do but ensure your edits have been saved, and you're done. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide on editing and updating estimates in CostMiner helpful. Good luck with your project management.